So, a very warm welcome to our new video, my friends. Today, I've run a step-by-step complete tutorial on the premium version of Fliki AI. I will also explain how you can start a money-making YouTube automation channel using Fliki AI. The fun part is that today I am using Fliki AI's voice. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, I've provided the link to Fliki AI in the description below, so you can check it out there. And if you are interested in purchasing it, I'll also give you a promo code, which you can apply to get a 10% discount. So Fliki AI is the #1 AI video generator tool. By using Fliki AI, you can start any type of faceless channel. And today, I will create a complete video and show you the final result. So pay close attention to the video and watch it till the end. First, let's talk about its pricing. There are 3 plans available. The first plan is 100% free. The standard plan costs $28 per month. And if you purchase yearly, it will be $21 per month. Then the premium plan costs $66 per month. And if you purchase monthly, it will be $88. And don't forget to apply the promo code from the description to get a 10% discount. All right. In the premium plan, you get many powerful features such as everything available in the standard plan, 600 minutes of credits per month, access to 2,000 plus voices, including 1,000 plus ultra-realistic ones, videos of length up to 25 minutes, voice cloning, AI avatar, API access, and priority support. Okay. Another powerful feature that AI provides is ChatGPT plus Fliki AI Video. Yes, Fliki presents AI Video GPT on the GPT store. With this custom GPT, you can effortlessly transform ideas into engaging content directly from ChatGPT. But for this, you need to have ChatGPT's Plus plans. So I won't discuss this further today. Okay, so this is all about Fliki AI features and pricing. Now, let me go to the dashboard. Okay, so this is the dashboard. If I go to my account, here you can see the credit usage. Usage means the length of the content generated by Fliki. My suggestion is to read about credits once from here before making a video to understand how credits work. All right, now let's practically understand what we can actually do with this tool. So I'll click on the file. Here you have 2 options, video and audio. First, let's try the audio feature, so just click on audio. Then I'll choose the English language, but you have other options too. So you can choose any language you prefer. And I'll type the file name here, and you can select anything here. So I'll choose an idea for now and hit submit. Okay, then we'll have a dialog box open for creating magic. Here we can type an idea and also copy paste a blog URL. So let me write an idea now. Then you can set the duration. There's an option for sound effects which was recently launched. By ticking this, automatic sound effects will be used in your audio. So you can keep this on if you want. After doing this, just submit it. In a few seconds, you'll see a new dashboard where you can control the voice. Okay. First of all, on the left side, you'll see audio layers. From here, you can set the background music. Just click on here and search for music according to your preference. Then just click on the music and it's done. Apart from this, you can also upload your own music file. All right. Now, if you want to change the voiceover, just click here and you'll find thousands of voices here. And these voices are super ultra realistic. And here you get support for 70 plus languages. Then if I go to the voice style, from here you can use voice and emotion. It's a very powerful feature. Okay. And finally choose a voice. Tick on apply this voice to all the voiceovers and click on select. Now the same voice will be applied to all the voiceovers in the entire scene. Okay. Then you can add a new scene from here. And of course you can delete any scene as well. Now if you click on any scene, you'll see a dialog box on the right side. From here you can adjust the volume and speed. Okay, after that, if I go to the settings, here you can set a gap between scenes. Okay, after doing all this, you can simply download the voice from here. So this is how you can generate ultra-realistic voices in Fliki AI. Now let's see how you can generate videos. So I'll go back. Let me quickly create a new video file here. Just put the file name. So today, I'm going to create a video on the plank exercise. So I'll just name the file plank, and I'll keep the aspect ratio landscape, starting with selecting the idea, and hit submit. Then another dialog box will open. You can try out all these features as well. I'll explain them in another video. Now you need to type the idea here. Then I'll set the maximum duration to 2 minutes. In the premium plan, you can create videos up to 25 minutes long. After that, you have 2 options, stock media and AI media. I'd prefer stock media. You can also try AI media where you can generate AI videos. Then I'll also select the AI avatar because I'm going to use an AI avatar in the video. This option is also available in the premium plan. After that, you can select auto sound effects if you want, but I prefer not to use it. Keep auto heading selected, and if you want to add stickers, you can also select auto stickers. Then I'll simply hit the submit button. So it's processing now. Now you'll see that our raw video is ready. Now we need to customize it according to our preferences, and this is necessary. All right. So first of all, click on the comment audio layer and set its sound to 5 from the right. Okay. And click on scene 1, and you shouldn't be confused at all. I'll explain. This is the first scene, and below it are these layers: the video layer, the sticker layer, the text layer, and the avatar layer. Okay, it's very simple. So if I go to the avatar layer, first I'll change the character. I really like this one, so I'll try it. Okay. Then in the footage layer, you can replace the footage. You'll find millions of premium stock media here. Just search here and then click on the footage, and your video will be replaced. All right. Similarly, I'll delete this sticker layer because I don't like it. Okay. Now let's add subtitles. So to add subtitles, you need to select the voiceover layer. And from here, you can hide and unhide the subtitles. After that, you can change the font from here and adjust the font size. Then you can choose the style of captions from here, add background color, and change the shadow color as well. And after doing all this, click on Apply to Similar Layers. Now this style will be applied to all layers. After that, I move to the heading layer. You can also set the position of this layer: left side, right side, top, bottom, anywhere. So I'll set its position here. Okay. Now, if you want to change the voiceover, you simply need to click on the voiceover, and from here you can choose any ultra-realistic voice. After selecting the voice, tick on Apply this voice to all the voiceovers and click on Select. All right. Okay, now to make the video interesting, we need to add as many visuals as possible. If you look now, these scenes are quite lengthy. So now we need to add some new scenes. Let me tell you how. I go to the first scene and I'll replace this stock footage. So I'll just click on Auto Pick and boom. Our footage has been replaced. So this is a pretty cool feature in Fliki AI. After that, click on Layout, and now a dialog box will open on the right side. This is a media dialog for the first scene. Here you get different media styles like 2 media equally divided, 2 media left narrow, right wide, 2 media left wide, right narrow, 3 media equally divided, and 3-2 media equally divided. Now as I click on the 2 media equally divided style, you'll see that a new media icon has been added to the left side in the layout section. Now you can also add footage here by auto pick. So now you can see that 2 different videos have been added in the background of the character. So this is also a pretty cool feature. Then I can also change the heading from here. Now if I play it, you'll see that our avatar is not moving. So for this, I'll click on the avatar layer and I'll hit the generate avatar video from here. Please note that 1 credit is charged for every 4 seconds of AI avatar generation. All right, so I'll generate it again. Now you see our AI avatar has been generated, but now I'm not getting the voice. To resolve this, you can simply refresh the page once, and the problem will be solved.
The Daily Minute Plank Transformation. Unveil its impact. Starting your day, not with a yawn, but with a plank.
All right, now let's quickly go to scene 2 and divide scene 2 into different parts. First, I'll add a new scene, and now I'll cut a part from the second scene to the end and paste it into scene 3. And I'll add new footage for this scene by auto pick. Sometimes this doesn't work perfectly, so in that case, you can manually add footage. Okay, it's very simple, my friends. Similarly, I'll go to scene 4, cut these parts again, and add a new scene to paste them there. Now scene 5 still seems lengthy, so I'll again copy it apart from the end of scene 5, add a new scene, and paste it there. Now I'll add stock footage to all of these new scenes. You can do it manually or by auto pick. Okay. Now scene 5 seems like it can be divided into 2 parts because it mentions 2 body parts. First abs and second back. But I won't divide it. I'll just click on layout, and this time I'll choose 2 media, equally divided from the right side. And then I'll add footage here. All right. Similarly, I'll add footage to scene 6. And then I'll divide scene 6 again. Add a new scene and paste it here. And add stock footage. Okay. Again, I'll go to scene 8 and now I'll divide it. Now, if you noticed, in scene 8 again, we have 4 body parts: core, arm, neck, and shoulder. So I'll divide scene 8 into 4 more scenes, and I'll add related footage to each scene. Okay, please don't get confused. I'm doing all this so that we get good results. Alright, now we have scene 12, and in scene 12, I want to add an avatar. So I clicked on scene 12, and I clicked on avatar from the right side, and I chose my favorite avatar from here. Okay, now I'll look at the layout, and this time I'll select the 3 media styles from the right side. And in these 3 layouts, I'll add footage of 3 different types: arms, neck, and shoulder. Okay. I think now you must have understood how to do it. So I'll fast forward the video now, because if I teach the whole video making process, this video will become more than an hour long. So until then, you can enjoy the music. Alright, so my friends, I've completed the entire process. Now you'll notice one thing here: Fliki AI has added effects and transitions between each clip, and they look quite good. So if you go to settings, you'll see these 2 options. You should always keep both of these checked so that effects and transitions are automatically added. Okay, I'm not liking the captions much, so I'll quickly change the font style, colors, and size of the captions. Now it looks better. I also want to add the avatar in the second scene, so I'll quickly do that too. Okay, so now our video is completely ready. We can export it. But before exporting, make sure your video is completely ready. If you export the same video again, extra credits will be deducted. So keep that in mind. And you can also save credits by previewing the video. Okay, so I'll export it now. The video export has started, and as soon as the video is exported, you'll also receive a notification by email. Let's see the final result.
The Daily Minute Plank Transformation. Unveil its impact. Imagine starting your day not with a yawn, but with a plank, just 1 minute every day. It sounds simple, yet this small commitment can lead to astounding changes in your body and mind. First off, your core strength will skyrocket. The plank is a powerhouse move targeting not just your abs, but also your back, making everyday activities easier and improving your posture dramatically. Beyond the core, your arm, neck, and shoulder muscles will get a serious workout too. These areas are engaged to keep you stable, leading to toned arms and a reduction in neck and shoulder tension. Then there's the boost to your metabolism. Holding a plank might seem static, but it's an intense full-body exercise that increases your heart rate, thus burning calories more effectively throughout the day. Your balance and flexibility also stand to gain. Planking regularly helps to develop your balance by strengthening your core, while also enhancing the flexibility in your posterior muscle groups as you stretch them. Mentally, the discipline of daily planking can enhance your mood. This exercise releases endorphins, natural mood lifters, which can make starting your day with a plank a very positive habit.
The result is quite impressive. And if you succeed in making such videos, your channel will boost quickly, and you'll start earning good money from YouTube. So I hope you like this tutorial. If yes, then like the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you're interested in buying Fliki AI, the link is in the description, and don't forget to use the code. Okay, wait, my friends, if you want to create a successful kids story channel, then watch these videos.